Hello, my dear lovely students. Today I'm going to discuss with you a very interesting topic, and I'm attracting you towards my topic. And the topic is Journey into the Cave of Bones. Yes, and in today's class, I will be discussing about dinosaurs, woolly mammoth, dodos, blueback. Okay, these all kinds of animals, and also I will be discussing about the extinct animals. Now what do you mean by extinct? When I say extinct, extinct means what? Animals that lived on the earth but do not exist anymore are called extinct. मतलब एक टाइम पे एनिमल्स रहते थे बट अभी वो नहीं रहते हैं और अभी वो जिंदा नहीं है, वो सारे कैटेगरी को एनिमल्स को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एक्सटिंक्ट. ओके, सम ऑफ दिस क्रीचर्स वॉक द अर्थ before humans took over the planet. So before we humans came and captured the planet, so before us there were some other creatures who were there on the planet. That means we have captured somebody's home. Not good. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about that only. I have divided this into, and I'll be talking about each and every creatures, and the chapter is going to be very interesting along with the videos. Now first, if I talk about dinosaurs. Okay, now dinosaurs lived on earth more than 65 million years ago. So 65 million years ago. Now they have been made famous by the Jurassic Park films you might have watched. तो ये जो फिल्म है, the movie Jurassic Park, so we have seen dinosaurs, and I'm really thrilled whenever I see or I read about dinosaurs. Now if I talk more about this particular creature, dinosaurs are a diverse group of reptiles. They have lived on earth for about 245 million years. Yes, students, 245 million years. According to English naturalist Sir Richard Owen coined the term Dinosauria, derived from the Greek dinos. Now, these dinosaurs, I am just cutting into two, dividing into two. Dinos meaning fearfully great, and sauros means meaning lizard, a big lizard. Okay. Dinosaur fossils have been found in all 7 continents. Oh my God. Okay, so it's very very thrilling type of creature. Okay, very this thing. Now next comes woolly mammoth. Now woolly mammoth, woolly, WOOLLYMAMMOTH. Now these are extinct. Now the category of animals which I'm talking about, all these animals are extinct now. Now in my list there may be less. Now it's like a story which I'm going to this expose it later, but let me talk about the extinct animals. woolly mammoth अब दूसरे कैटेगरी में आता है. woolly mammoth एक्चुअली एक पूरा स्टोरी है, and in this story the main character is Marina and other scientists. So let me not connect them with this, वो हम बाद में बताएंगे. It's like a suspense. woolly mammoth, these are also extinct relatives of the present day elephants. They lived during the ice age and died when the weather became warmer. So they used to live in the cold this temperature, minus temperatures, and died when the temperature became warmer. Next comes dodos. DODOS. I repeat myself, DODOS. These large birds couldn't fly and lived on the island of Mauritius in the Indian Ocean all by themselves for 175 years. The dodos became extinct as other animals, and humans started inhabiting the island. So as soon as जैसे humans आते गए, आइलैंड को कैप्चर करते गए, वैसे वैसे ये सारे जो क्रीचर्स हैं, दे यूज्ड टू एंड मॉरिशस इन द इंडियन ओशन ऑल बाय देमसेल्फ फॉर अबाउट 175 years, विच इज़ नॉट लेस, और धीरे धीरे वो लोग ख़त्म होने लगे. नेक्स्ट कम्स ब्लूबक, also known as a blue antelope. The blueback lived in South Africa until about 1800. Blue bugs were haunted to extinction by European settlers. Like 18th century तक वो लोग पाए जा रहे थे, and they were hunted to extinction, and they got hunted, poached away. The other name of hunting is poaching also by European settlers. Now, if I just proceed further, let me tell you one story about this. Now, a few minutes back, I have taken one character's name, and the character name is Marina. Marina and her, some of the scientists. Okay, so they went to explore something. Explore मतलब कुछ खोजबीन करना, and they stood at the mouth of the rising star cave and looked inside. So वो लोग एक खोजबीन करने जाते हैं कहीं दूर केव में, मिस गुफा, वहाँ एट गुफा में, इन द केव, इनसाइड द केव इट्स ऑलवेज डार्क. So they have just peeped inside it, and it was fully dark, nothing to be seen. Outside it was a rainy season in the grassland part of South Africa, home to jackals and porcupines and cobra snakes and thorn trees. And in the gufa, in the caves, you will find all sorts of creatures like cobra snakes, jackals. I'm talking about South Africa caves, remember? And Marina and few of the scientists went there. She knew that deep inside the cave lay thousands of bones. अब क्या ज़रूरत आन पड़ा साउथ अफ्रीका जाने का केव्स में? बिकॉज दे वॉन्टेड टू फाइंड आउट द बोन्स, केव बोन, आई मीन दे वॉन्टेड टू फाइंड आउट द बोन्स. ऐसा वो लोग एक्सटिंक्ट एनिमल्स का बोन्स खोजने गए थे जो ह्यूमन्स के पहले रहते थे. स्मॉल बोन्स एंड लार्ज बोन्स, जॉ बोन्स, जॉ मीन्स जबड़ा, जॉ बोन्स, and ankle bones, finger bones, and foot bones and skulls. So they were, they saw, वहाँ पे पूरा 1000 मतलब हज़ारों के तादाद में बोन्स, हड्डियाँ पड़ी हुई थी. Like there were small bones, large bones, strange, I mean jaw bones, all sorts of bones. The bones belong to strange creatures that lived a long time ago before there were humans. तो इन ह्यूमन्स के रहने से, आने से पहले ये सारे क्रीचर्स वहाँ पे रहते थे. जब वो लोग एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए तो उसका द बोन्स वर देयर. बट टू रीच द बोन्स, Marina and other scientists, that is we can say her these colleagues, they were 5 in number. They had to make a long dangerous journey. जैसे गुफा के अंदर होता है, बहुत डार्क होता है, एंड नथिंग वॉज टू बी सीन, एंड शी ड्रॉप्ड इन, और वो अंदर जाती है, एंड शी वॉज क्रॉलिंग एंड शी वॉज स्किपिंग, एंड इट वॉज वेरी स्लिपरी, इट वॉज वेरी डार्क, नथिंग टू बी सीन. नाउ Marina was wearing a headlamp. Headlamp means you might have seen in coal mines and all that. Okay, so these people wear their helmet, और helmet के ऊपर लाइट होता है, so that they can see into the dark. So she lit her headlamp, उसको जला ऑन करती है, and found herself face to face with the first difficult climb, the 3-story rock. So it was a rock, okay, cliff shaped like dragon's back with spikes, and there was nothing there. She saw some some tiny bones. She could feel that something is there. Next, Marina was also afraid because the passage of this cave was very narrow. एकदम पतला सा गुफा था, एकदम वो कैसे भी उसमें जा रही थी, and she was afraid that she may break her arm or leg. But since she was a scientist, and all other 5 scientists, they were determined, adamant that somehow they will find it out कि what is there in the cave, because पहले से वो लोग सुन रखे थे कि इस केव के अंदर शायद कुछ मिल सकता है. Then they have found one, they found something, the jaw of a super sized shark. Okay, suddenly they saw jaw means jabda, of the shark. One section was especially narrow, only 7 inches wide, that skinner than a soccer ball. So it was very narrow, it was thinner, very slimy and all that. Now inside the cave, it was dark, warm and musty smelling. Okay, musty smelling means smelling unpleasant and not fresh. The smell was not good. क्योंकि अगर हम गुफा के अंदर जाते हैं, टनल के अंदर जाते हैं, तो एक अजीब सा एक we get that unique smell of that dirt or dust, it could be, black rock and all that. So Marina and her colleagues, they found tiny crystals sparkled across the wall. Okay, तो ऐसे बहुत सारे चीज उन लोग के पैर से टकरा रहे थे, कुछ डर्ट था, कुछ बोन्स थे. Now here along with Marina, now I'm going to take other two character name, and the second character name was Becca and the third character name was Hannah. Okay, so that was there, and all these five scientists, they were going inside it, and they were just they were trying to find it out. So while they were underground, they found one some parts of bones. So वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे, जो जो bones का टुकड़ा उन लोगों को pieces मिल रहा था, they used to collect it and they used to keep it in a bubble plastic bag, और वो प्लास्टिक बैग में उसको जमा करके and outside the climate of this cave, if I tell outside the climate, क्योंकि all the scientists were inside the cave. अब सारे साइंटिस्ट कहाँ थे, गुफा के अंदर. गुफा के बाहर का मौसम, the weather was very stormy, it was about to rain. Okay, and it was avalanche means the snowfall, sudden snowfall. तो जैसे ही वो लोग निकलने वाले होते हैं गुफा से, they found a large piece of bones. Okay, so in the scientists, so they have collected all the pieces of bones and they went to that lab, scientific lab. Okay, that laboratory, and they went there और वहाँ पे दे देते हैं to find for the medical examination and all that. तो वहाँ पे जो group of men रहते हैं who does this finding work and all that. Okay, so there was a foot group by a body group, there was skull group, an arm and a leg group and a tooth group. As they walked, the creature slowly came into focus. तो ये सारे हड्डी को, सारे bones को जोड़ के when they joined together, they found one unique creature, and that creature name was hominid. What is that? Hominid. Hominid. Hominid, hominid. Now what is hominid? Hominids were like great apes, monkeys category, apes living and extinct. Okay, now they are no more, so extinct. And and they have named this, एक नामकरण भी हो गया उधर. They have given that hominid name as Naledi. Okay, which means star in the, according to African language, it means a star. And that star they used to say se soto. Okay, like African language for Africa में, for the star they say as se soto. Okay, like a star. So they have, because and all were very happy क्योंकि वो लोग एक conclusion पे आ गए थे, and they found one creature, hominid, and they renamed that particular creature as Naledi. Naledi walked, and they now everybody in the lab, they started anticipating कि ये hominid कैसे आया होगा उधर केव के अंदर, उसको कौन गिराया होगा या खुद गिरा होगा, एंड हाउ दिस, या कोई इसको मारा है, लाइक दैट दे स्टार्टेड गेसिंग. सो अपराइट लाइक ह्यूमन बींग, शायद वो ह्यूमन से जैसा आया होगा, चूँकि वो मंकी ग्रुप का था, तो माइट हैव जस्ट हंग इन द ब्रांचेस ऑफ द ट्री. इट्स फिंगर्स वर लॉन्ग. दे हैव ऑल्सो फाउंड आउट दैट द फिंगर्स वर लॉन्ग एंड कर्व्ड. ओके, इट हैड स्मॉल टीथ, like exactly like monkey, ape like soldiers, and feet just like ours, except with curved toes that helped it grip trees for climbing. It was very weird. ये सारा नज़ारा, ये सारा scenario was very अजीब सा. Weird means अजीब. Okay, now still it has to be solved. See, and there are still so many mysteries to solve, students. Still many mysteries hasn't been solved. How long ago did this creature live? Question number 1. Question number 2, what did it look like? Question number 3, how did it behave? Question number 4, how closely related to it as humans? How did it eat? What did it do? Was it smart? How smart? So it was like that. Now scientists, I think it's a tough time for the scientists, and those really big questions are still to be explored and find out. Still we need to find out the answers, and scientists haven't answered all that, but maybe you will be the one that solves the mystery that we believe. So as a young generation, maybe you will find out more about hominids. So Marina, Becca, and Hannah, and all other scientists in the lab also, they were able to finally get this creature on the table of the lab, that is hominids. And yeah, this chapter is very interesting because I told you. And in between the chapter, let me tell you fossils. What do you mean by fossils? Fossils वो होता है the remains or the impression of a prehistoric plant or animal. तो plant और animal का जो left part होता है ना, when it gets born, और जब वो जल जाता है, और left over जब वो सड़ जाता है, तो it forms into fossils. You might have studied in your science and all that, fossil fuels. So that type of, and it creates a blackish color type and very slippery. तो ये सारा चीज़ मिल रहा था. Now these scientists were very happy, and of course if I talk about the scientists, of course they were at times afraid, at times excited, क्योंकि वो लोग एक खोज कर रहे थे, and they were determined कि कुछ ना कुछ तो हम लोग इस cave से निकाल ही के जाएंगे. And of course that has happened, and they came with a very great creature, hominids, like we studied about dinosaurs, woolly mammoth, dodos, bluebuck, and now hominids. Okay, I hope you liked the chapter. If you really did, so please hear my video and see the pictures of a lot of animals. Enjoy it and like and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a very nice day.